Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to fix TikTok shop not showing problem on TikTok. So let's get started. For that, let's get into TikTok app. So here it is. Now you need to make sure that the TikTok shop is available in your country. And after that, you need to go to profile icon in the bottom right and click on this three-line icon on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Scroll down and click on report a problem. Now we need to scroll down and click on chat with me option and we get into TikTok help text. Here we need to write our problem, that is we want TikTok shop in our profile as it is important to us. You can simply write the message and send it from the send icon over here. And once the message is sent, the TikTok help text will address your problem and fix it. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.